Y'all see my dad over there? Y'all see him right here? He on the road. He caught 8 bass. Let me show y'all how many we got in the cooler that he caught. I ain't caught nothing. I usually catfish. Let me show you how many we got in the cooler. They gonna jump. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? She got a big one. That got my brother Aiden. He done did something. Let me fix it. He don't know what he doing. What you did? What you did? Give it to me. Let me see it. Hold it. Face it to me. Y'all, he done did something. Y'all see?
Zoom this out soon.
See, he done broke my line. He done broke it. Y'all see, right? He done broke it. He done broke
Look
the
our
stuff,
truck.
Y'all, he done broke the stuff.
Now, he crazy. Y'all know. He crazy. Look at these fish. Y'all see him? I got skinny.
Show them to me. Show them to me how to fish. Hey, y'all, look. Look at this nice cat.
Smooth. He ain't got any.
Since I don't got a lot of line, I just lost some of it. I keep fishing more on here. That's gonna be in a long time.
There's my daddy walking.
Where you said we ain't going today?
Look at my daddy.
Saturday we are.
Look at our truck. I'm a feeling. Man, you said I get 5 tries.
I'm showing them how I fish. What's it called? Y'all see my reel? Yeah, y'all like it? Look at that. Smoothie. Look what I'm fishing with up there. Well, I don't think y'all can see. Y'all see that? Okay, so this our truck right there. Y'all see my tackle box? It got full of line now. Them my daddy's. That my daddy tackle box. See that spinner reel he got in there? That mine. I'm talking about that my brother tablet. Look at all that food stuff junk he got right there. And this the cooler.
I eat that other thing because you won't give me a ride.
Here. Look at him. He fussing.